Now I want to talk about tax cuts. The president says phase 2 of tax cuts are coming. With us now, Winnie Sun, Sun Group Wealth Partners founder. Winnie, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Stuart, for having me.
If we do get all this talk about more tax cuts coming, you think that's good for the market?
That's good news. That's what we want to hear.
Okay. Do you think the market will go up some more from where it is now?
I think so.
How much?
I don't know, but I think it's enough to make us really excited about shopping again.
Shopping?
In terms of investing, getting back into the market, getting, to have days like this again.
Okay. You manage the money of TV stars, movie stars, and other people in the TV and movie industry. Is that correct?
That's true.
What are you telling them to do?
Well, we're talking about really continue to invest. Continue to invest in things.
Stocks?
In stocks. Absolutely, because their time horizon is long, they have high income, and they're getting potentially another nice tax break. Okay. So that means that we have more money that we can go ahead and get to working for their retirement.
I take it that people like that in the movie and TV industry, they're pretty close to technology.
They are.
You big smile there. Have you been putting them into the big tech stocks?
Well, certainly that's a space they're very comfortable with, and so we do have an allocation in technology. And I think, being that we're in Southern California, we're in the home of Facebook and Apple and everything else, that's something that they know very, very well.
Now, you're in Southern California, and you manage the money of TV and movie people.
Yes.
Do they all hate Trump?
Well, that's a great question.
Yes, it is.
They certainly have a strong opinion regarding Trump.
Well, they're participating in the Trump rally. If they don't like Trump, how do they feel about participating in the Trump rally, which has made them a lot of money?
Well, I think they certainly appreciate all the tax benefits, so they're happy.
And you're leaving it at that. You don't want to tell me that your clients hate Trump but cash in on the rally. You don't want to tell me, do you?
You know what? I think my clients are really smart people, and I think they're reasonable to appreciate what they've been given, and certainly having a little bit more money at end of April is a good thing.
So I'll leave it like this. Your position is you want to see more tax cuts. Your people would really appreciate that. And
certainly.
And the market will go up because of this tax cut talk again?
Yes. I think for the short term, it'll certainly be a great benefit for us.
And you think that this market will end the year higher than where it is now? Would you say that?
If we see those cuts, yes, I think so.
Okay. Winnie Sun, we'll have you back. I want to know whose money you manage.
I would love to be back.
You won't tell me either. Winnie, thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.